Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to review how to use the Horizon 6 cycle label. How to use the Horizon 6 cycle label. Your Horizon 6 centrifuge arrives with an erasable label that allows you to identify your program cycles by the names you prefer to use in the lab. This label is applied to the centrifuge, allowing for easy recording of cycle names. It is labeled with 1, 2, and 3. Corresponding to the cycle numbers on the centrifuge. This label is placed on the top of the centrifuge, just above the front panel. Use a permanent marker to write your desired cycle names. Permanent markers won't be erased when the centrifuge is cleaned with the recommended 5500 ppm bleach solution. To erase the label, use rubbing alcohol. Avoid using alcohol to disinfect your centrifuge if you are using the cycle label. For extra erasure protection, transparent tape can be applied over the label. And that's all there is to it. Remember, you don't have to use the cycle label. It's your choice. If you have any other questions about your Horizon 6, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.